Make sure to check out my channel for more weekly tours and updates. Thank you. Alright, and here we are at Jungle Adventures in a place called Christmas, Florida. And this is a park map of the area. This was our cool tour guide. She does some really wild stuff you'll see in a bit. And a couple of animals that we got to pet for free. Everything's included. Now let's get on to the animal feeding. Yo, this chick was nuts. And just check this out. And of course you get to feed some animals yourself. The best thing in your life. And here's some various animals around the park. And at the end of the day, you get to take a nice boat tour. And of course, you have to exit through the gift shop. Now on to my list of pros. And here's the few cons. As far as my rating, this is definitely a must-do. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, check out some other videos I have right here. And even think about subscribing. And until then, I'll see you next time. Yes.